On Sundays, we'd all go to Sunday school and then play out for an hour or two in the afternoon before it was time for tea. It was a surprise when you got home from school to find out that your dad had bought a television. But what sort of programs did we used to watch?
Come away with William Tell, come away to the land he loved so well. What a day when the apple fell for Tell in Switzerland. Come away with Tell to the mountainside, look down to the pass where the tyrants ride. Hit a ball, and down they go.
Robin Hood, riding through the glen. Robin Hood, with his band of men. Feared by the bad, loved by the good. Robin Hood.
If sailors' tales to sailors too, storm and adventure, heat and cold, if schooners...
Ivanhoe! Ivanhoe! Side by side we're proud to ride with Ivanhoe.
Go a-roving across the ocean, oh let's go a-roving and join the buccaneer. He's the bravest man we know, say he's not.
Here's romance. Here's O. Henry's famous Robin Hood of the Old West, a Cisco Kid.
Green estate in the land of the free, raised in the woods so's he knew every tree. Killed him a bar when he was only 3. Davy Crockett, king of the wild frontier.
Wakey, wake! Hi!
This is the London Palladium.
There was no more getting the tin bath out in front of the fire for Dad when he finished work, because the coal board had built a new bathhouse and canteen for them all. As children, we would ride in cars with no seat belts or airbags. We drank water from the garden hose, and not from a bottle. Takeaway food was limited to fish and chips. We didn't have pizza shops or McDonald's. We rode bikes or walked to our friends' houses and knocked on the door or rang the doorbell or just yelled out for them. Our mothers didn't have to go out to work to help Dad make ends meet. We would collect old drinks bottles and cash them in at the corner shop and buy toffees, gobstoppers, bubblegum, and some bangers to blow frogs up with. The village bonfire in November was always exciting, when everybody used to bring their chairs to sit round, as well as the potatoes, the hot dogs, and the sausage rolls. I remember the potatoes used to be absolutely black when they got them out of the fire, and we used to put bangers under their chairs. We used to love letting off jumping crackers because you never knew where they were going to jump to, and everybody used to bring their old furniture for the bonfire, what they'd saved up all year. It didn't stop us having a bonfire. Even when it poured down with rain, everybody used to arrive with their umbrellas. Yes, those times were great. The fun, the laughter, the disappointments, the upsets, all the emotions that we could go through, we did. But I certainly would never change anything that happened in those days growing up in Ledston Lough for anything in the world. This film is dedicated to all my young friends who are still with us and those who have departed. I hope you've enjoyed.
Well, that's the end of broadcasting for today in the BBC night programme, with the exception of the shipping forecast on 1500 metres. But we shall be back on the air again tomorrow morning at 6:30 with the news summary, and the Home Service will be on the air at 6:45 with the market report for farmers. So until then, ladies and gentlemen, good night to you all. Good night.